You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long subtraction. The final result is 11,405. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Subtract the numbers using long subtraction method. Because the upper digit, 3, in the ones column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the number to the left, 30, which becomes 29, and get 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Because the upper digit, 2, in the hundreds column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 2, in the next number place which becomes 1, and get 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Write 1 in the thousands place. Write 1 in the 10,000s place. And so the final result is 11,405.